We have taken a shape. Now we will take an image from the gallery. So let's adjust the image over that shape. Made it fixed and then create the clipping mask so the shape become a frame for that picture. I will apply the similar shape here to made it. So let's find the other one. I will add over it, made it fixed. Then that's the design we have generated. Add paint there. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.